What's up, folks? Hawkseye San Ho TV. What's it called? This is part two of what's it called? I ordered some hydraulic parts and replacements and everything, and the mail guy actually fucking broke the fucking box open and shit, and I guess one fell out or something. So got my replacement from the Hop Shop. You know, they sent that out right away, which is awesome. It's not their fault, but it's the postal's fault. So let's check this out. Let's see what we got today. It's supposed to be my 12-inch cylinder for the 7.4. So let's check it out. There she is. So we just got the cylinder. Nice. So that's my 12-inch cylinder for my 74 Impala, you guys. So I got all the other parts and everything. It's already almost done, and you know, about to eat some chicken breast, some chicken wings and everything. Just smoked them on the Traeger. But anyways, it's dinner time and everything, so I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again, Hop Shop, for replacing that one that the mail people lost and everything. So shouts out to you guys, Hop Shop. Recommend them. They'll take care of you anytime. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hawkseye San Ho TV. Thanks again, Hop Shop.